Now let's take on the role of the program manager, Jayla. Jayla wants to see what's happening with intake at the organization. To do so, she will want to take a look at it through a dashboard's perspective. To access dashboards, we'll click on the dashboards tab at the very top, and we'll locate the referrals inbound and outbound dashboard. Within this dashboard, Jayla can do three things. One is to take a look at the intakes in progress by stage. She can take a look at the closed intake results over the past 6 months. And of course, look at the inbound referrals by account, either through a report format or in a donut chart. Now, we've accomplished a lot in a short amount of time, having dealt with Joe's incident. Let's turn our attention to upcoming meetings. With that in mind, we can quickly locate a client record with a quick keyword search using the client search global component at the bottom of the screen. This is a custom-built search feature specific to how case managers search, for example, by client ID or legal name or preferred name. Keep in mind the search is based on contacts that are clients rather than donors or volunteers, which is especially useful if those contacts are all tracked in the same organization. So in this case, we'll go ahead and search for Joe. We will locate her name at the very bottom, Joe Williams, and we'll click on her name to access her contact record. It's crucial to want to be up to speed on Joe or any clients before talking more with them about next steps. Most organizations conduct client assessments to better measure and understand any changes in a client's circumstances. In this case, the assessments are tracked under the assessment tab in the contact record. What we're seeing here is a chart that shows all of the scores that is being tracked from assessments over time. I can look at other types of assessment by changing the record type here. For example, moving from core assessment over to a housing assessment. If I only want to see one type of score to take a deeper look into, the graph filters to the level of data you want to better understand by clicking on these filters down below. For example, if I only want to see total score, I can filter out the overall housing score and housing quality.